What a sunny day, Zuzu. It's perfect for playing hide and seek. What do you think? You bet, Lulu. I'll count. One, two, three. Huh, what's that sound? It sounds like someone is sad. Let's go see. Behind the big sunflower, they found a little rabbit who looked very sad. Hello there, I'm Zuzu and this is Lulu. Why do you look so sad? It's my teeth. They are not clean and white like yours. Oh, that's easy to fix. We can help you brush your teeth. Yes, brushing teeth is super fun. We do it every morning and every night. We even have a special toothbrushing song. Brush, brush, brush your teeth, make them sparkle bright. Brush them in the morning and brush them every night. Wow, my teeth are so sparkly and clean now. Thank you, friends. And that's how Rossie learned to keep her teeth clean and made two wonderful new friends. So remember, kids, brush your teeth every morning and every night. Will you follow? Give a thumbs up and comment and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.